Hey guys, welcome back to this vlog. Not welcome back. Welcome to today's vlog. So, you know Ed's special package has arrived from yesterday's video. Well, my special package has arrived. I'm not going to show you my address, which is on the top. I've already opened it. But it is the PC case. Here it is. I know I probably shouldn't be doing this on carpet. But, oh well. Because it does have the power supply in it anyway. But, yeah. It says it weighs 7.4 kilograms, and I can believe that. It's heavy. So this is the Zalman ZM T4. If you're wondering what case it is. Mini ATX. This is a used case as well. But they've even got like new packaging and stuff as well. It's got the real box as well. It says Zalman. It's just some styrofoam. Plastic bags can be dangerous. No way. It goes down again. So this has 4 fan holes in it, I think, which is pretty good. Because it was only £24.99 plus £9 shipping. Still cheaper than some just power supply. So 350 watt power supply. It also has a cable management thing on the back, which I did not know about, which I've just seen. This is nice though. This is quite a small, it's metal, that's nice actually. Obviously with cheap cases they're usually plastic, but this one is metal, which is good. So at the top, USB 3, USB 2 on, reset, I guess that's hard drive LED, microphone and headphone. Pretty good. Onto the back. We've got the thumb screws, taken off the side panel. We've got things for water cooling. We've got a fan already built in. And then the power supply. Again, 350 watt. Pretty good. Yeah, it looks good. I'm just going to take off the side. Hi, brother.
That's pen.
So, I just have to unscrew these thumb screws. Yeah, also there's a cable management side at that side. Yeah, I think these are 220mm fans, and it has some room for them at the front as well. And then a 80 or 92mm fan at the back. So yeah, it's looking quite good. I'll set you up. Okay, so I think it just slides back. Yep, slides back. So this is actually good metal as well. Also, it's a dust filter, so so not as much dust gets into the PC, which is always very, very useful. I noticed on the back, yep, it says a removable dust filter, the power supply underneath it, which is good. Power supply has a bottom mounted fan as well, and a side mounted, so there's lots and lots of cooling for the power supply, which is good. Also, we've got these 2 extra USBs in the back. I don't really know what they're for. I assume plug that in for them or something. So, let's get this bit out if we can. There we go. So, I guess these are kind of like our accessories and stuff. And then all the power supply leads and stuff. Apart from that, we have got a disk drive, which is quite a nice add-on, already installed, and it's like a new one as well. We've got a fan, 3-pin fan, the official Zalman fan as well. Got a Molex and some other connectors up here, I guess, for like the USBs. I'll have to get actually, I don't know. This doesn't have a USB 3 to 2. I'll have to get an adapter, but look at this bag. What's in this bag? Shout out to like whoever sent this to me. Thank you so much. It's an amazing deal, really, for what you get. Okay, and we've got all of these. So, looking in here, we have a little rubber thing. I don't know what that is. I guess a user manual. We've got some zip ties, cable ties, whatever you want to call them. And then screws, and then yeah, just zip ties and cable ties. And then we've got these, I guess these are for the disk drive, I guess. Not really too sure. Moving over here, we have three red SATA cables, which seem to be in good condition as well, which is always good. We've got a power adapter thing for the power supply, which is kind of useful actually. And then we have three Molex to SATA power cables, and so that means we can connect up to 6 hard drives, which is good. Also, this has space for 2 3.5-inch drives, and then I think we have space for like 1 2.5-inch, maybe. Oh no, maybe probably another one down here as well. I don't know really. I'm guessing these are the screws for the motherboard. Oh yeah, they already have standoffs installed. That is good. So I won't have to get any more of those. But yeah, that's actually really useful. So just left. Do I just slide it left, or I guess you just put them in like that. Oh, nice. So now let's get into this. Okay, I'll be back because it's kind of in an awkward position. Okay, so I have installed the hard drive. I don't know if I want the cables coming out the top or the bottom, but I can change that if the motherboard comes, because I don't really know which orientation I'm going to put them. But yeah, it's a bit of a mess right now. But it does have cable management places behind it, which is very useful. So closing that up. Let's put this on that side. Actually, when I'm actually doing the build, I won't actually do it on the carpet, because static and everything. So yeah, it's looking pretty good right now. I'm just going to check that it fits under my desk. Meant to do that. And yeah, so it's looking good right now compared to my hand. It's not actually too big. It's kind of nice. So that's what she said. And yeah, I'm just going to check that this fits under my desk. I know my cable management is very good as well. But again, once we get everything sorted out, like the monitors and everything as well, I'll change that. It's a very nice size actually, guys. You probably can't see much really. I've got my heat here. I'll have to get rid of that because that'll be bad for the PC. It's a nice size. I might bring it. Yeah, I'll probably push it back as far as I can actually. That's nice though. Doesn't take up too much space. It just has a footrest. That's nice, and it's got a lot of like air cooling and everything. Yeah, I'm happy with that, guys. So thank you to Rude Boy 79 or whatever, whoever sent me this out. Thank you for watching this vlog, and see you in the next vlog tomorrow. Goodbye.